So for activity 4, we have used the given pair of points to find the evaluation of the line in 2-point form. In 2-point form. Okay, first thing is we have to calculate the slope. How to calculate the slope? We are going to use m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. After calculating the slope, we have to proceed to the point slope form. We have y minus y sub 1, okay, is equals to m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. So these are the formula to get the 2-point form. But there is a direct formula for the 2-point form. We can use like this. We have y minus y sub 1 is equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. Muna itong formula. So, it's up to you kung asa diri ang inyong gamiton. But I prefer this one. This one. Okay, I'll give an example on how to do this one and the example for this. First is, I'm gonna do this portion, this formula. Okay. We have an ordered pairs of 3 and 5 and 2 and 3. Example na siya, class. Example na siya. Okay, let's get first the slope using this formula. We have m is equals to, okay, let's label this class. We are done this before. So, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Alright. So, just substitute the value or the value of y sub 2. We have this one, 3. And the value of y sub 1, which is 5. All over the value of x sub 2, which is 2 plus 2. And the value of x sub 1 is 3 times the quantity of, no, this is it. Okay, m is equals to 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 class is negative 2 over, okay, 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Okay, nakuha na to ang slope. This, or negative 2 over negative 1 is positive 2. That will be our slope. So, okay, after finding the slope, class, this one, after finding the slope, let's proceed to the point slope form. Okay, we have y minus our y sub 1. Okay, our y sub 1 is 5 equals to, nakuha naman nato ang atong slope, which is 2. Muna ipuli na to sa m. Okay, x, ang manghibong mo ba nga ang y ug x wala gi value? Of course, wala siya value diha. Ha, wala na siya value diha kay x sub 1, y sub 1 ra, x sub 2 and y sub 2. So, ang atong value sa y sub 1, we have 3. Okay, after that one, 1 minus 5, then we have to, again, distribute, or we have to use the distributive property. So, 2 times x, okay, 2 times x equals 2x. And 2 times negative 3 is equals to negative 6. Okay. After that one, we have 2. So, if in ani ra gani ang case, class, dali ra kayo. Okay, we have 2. Transpose na lang ta. This equals to negative, okay. Okay, so ako siyang i-erase, class, ha. So, ang answer ni dapat nasa standard form nga ax plus by equals c. Tingnan na natong answer. So, what we are going to do next we have to follow this form, standard form. So, ato i-transpose kaning 2x to the left side. Mahimo siyang negative 2x. And then, since our y na naman sa saktong place, we have to copy that one, positive y. This equals to negative 6. Ang negative 5, ato i-transpose to the right side, mahimo siyang positive 5. Right? This equals to negative 2x plus y is equals to negative 1. Okay, remember class, our form is, the x here is positive. So, we have to see to it nga dapat positive ni siya. What we are going to do, kay nakabantay ta nga negative ang atong x dire. So, we have to multiply that one into negative 1. Okay, to read or tangtangon para matangtang na to ang negative. So, everything, all the signs of all terms will change, right? So, negative 1 times negative 2x is equals to 2x. And then, negative 1 times y equals negative y. Equals to negative 1 times negative 1 is positive y. So, the answer is 2x minus y equals 1. Okay, let's have another example using this formula, two-point form slope. Or, yes, two-point form. Okay, using this formula, let's say we have a given 7 and 3 and 5 and 6. Let's say that will be our given. Using this formula, we have y minus, ato sa libilan, lanis sa yung buhaton para di mo maglibog. Pwede rasad kung hanas na mo, no need to label class. So, our y sub 1 is 3. This equals to our y sub 2 using this formula. Y sub 2 is 6 minus our y sub 1 is 3. And our x sub 2 is 5. And our x sub 2 is 5 and our x sub 1 is 7. Times x minus x sub 1 plus kani 7. After that one, we have y minus 3 is equals to 6 minus 3 is positive 3. And 5 minus 7 is equals to negative 2 times x minus 7. Okay. Y minus 3 is equals, distribute class. 3 times x is equals 3x over negative 2 minus, no? Okay. 3 times negative 7, muna minus ko klasa kay negative mga answer. So, 3 times negative 7 is negative 21 over negative 2. Okay? After that one, we have to use the common denominator of the two. Multiply both tanang terms, multiply into negative 2 para matangtangan nato siya sa, or di na siya ma-fraction. No? Okay. Y times negative 2 is negative 2y. And negative 2 times negative 3 is equals to positive 6. This equals to, ang buhato na to ani class, first is the denominator, right? So, ato siya i-divide. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is positive 1. Positive 1 times 3x is equals to 3x. Negative 2 divide negative 2 is positive 1. And, okay, positive 1 times negative 1 is equals to negative 21. Okay, 1 na siya. After that 1, kasi angay na itong buhaton. Ato na siyang i-add to sa, or i-forma na to siya sa standard form. Balinda dire class. Kaya na tayo space. Space for new message, Joe. Okay. So, atong kuan dire 2x negative 2y di ay plus 6 equals to 3x minus 21. Mo na siya. Okay. Ang saangay na itong buhaton. So, we have, ato siya i-transpose class. Ha? Or, ang buhaton sa uban nga neon na dyan eh. Okay. Ato siyang i-minus into 3x. Ato po siyang i-minus into 3x. Okay? So, meaning, we have, di man na to siya pwede i-combine ha, kaya lahi ba na siya og variable. So, we have negative 3x minus 2y cancel equals to negative 21. Okay, ibali na to ang 6. Mahimo siyang negative 6. Tas. Pero pwede sad, diretso na lang class ha. Di na ta magbut gamit ani. So, ang technique isa uban inana, pero ato para sa yun. This will transpose. Negative 3x, negative 2y equals to negative 21. Then, transpose ni siya class, may mo siyang negative. So, this will be negative 3x minus 2y is equals to, since they have the same or similar sign, negative, so, ato siya i-add. 21 plus 6 equals 27. Then, copy the common sign nga negative. So, negative 27. Again, always remember nga atong ax class sa kaning nga form ax plus by equals c. Always yun na siyang positive. As you can see, negative. So, to extract that one, no? Ato siya i-multiply into negative 1. So, negative times negative 3x is equals to positive 3x. Negative times negative 27, imo siyang positive 27, 2y equals negative 27 times negative 1 is equals to positive 27. So, this will be our answer, the 2-point form.